Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your shifter assembly on the Chevy Trailblazer. The specific vehicle is a 2023, but this issue is on from 2020 Buick Encore GX, the Trailblazer from 2021 to 2023, and the Malibu 2020 to 2023. Alright, there is a button for it. Here it is right here. But if your vehicle out of warranty, that won't be covered. Lucky for this guy, this vehicle is still under warranty. It's only at 25,000 miles. Let me start it. You guys see it's 25,000 miles. It has a shift to park message, and it has a B000A stored in the BCM. Alright, so let's shut it off. It's not happening right now, but there is a code for it, and it's a common issue. We're just going to replace it. First step is put the vehicle in neutral and set the parking brake. Alright, parking brake set. It's gonna beep non-stop. Alright, that's exactly what it will say if the shift to park was. What I'm gonna do now is use a trim tool like this, or you can use a flat-blade screwdriver. We're going to pop this cover off, okay? We're going to slide it right there. Just like that. There it is. Okay, and we're going to remove the shifter knob here. To remove the shifter knob, you need to twist the shifter assembly back and forth while applying upward motion. Okay, you might need two hands to do this, but let me see if I can do it with one hand. It's pretty. It's in there. There you go. Whew. And unplug everything here, and you will have to clear some codes. Let's unplug this thing here. To remove the connector, you squeeze this tab here and you pull it. And we're gonna do the same thing for this here. You're gonna use a pick like this and push down on this gray tab. Right. Good. And the same thing here. And use this. You're gonna unplug this, pull the red tab out. You can use a flat-blade screwdriver, a small one, and unplug this connector. Okay. Use the connector here. You push the red tab out, right, and you press down on that tab here, the black tab, and you pull it. Now here's our shifter assembly. So we're just going to do our thing. Remove those bolts here. Those are 10mm. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one right there. Let's take them out, and the shifter should be able to pull straight up. So I'm gonna use a 12-inch extension and a swivel 10mm to get those bolts off. They are not that tight. Good. Good. Bolt number 2. Now we're going to get that one. You don't need an electric tool like this to do this job. You can use a little hand tool to do this. Removing the last bolt. We're gonna go slowly. There you go. It's loose. Good. Now what we're gonna do is removing anything that's attached to the base of the shifter assembly, like those wiring harness. Let's pull them out using a trim tool like this. Good. anything that's attached to it or that's in the way per se, we're going to remove it. We have this connector here. Let's unplug it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a pick like this, and there is a red tab underneath the connector here, right? We're going to pull it out. Good. It's out, and let's unplug it. We got the connector out. We pull the red tab out, right? And you push the black tab in the middle to pull it out. The next step is we're gonna remove the cable off of the shifter assembly. We're gonna use a T30, a short T30 or stubby, whatever you wanna call it, to remove the T30 that attached it to the shifter assembly. What you need to do, pull the shifter to the low gear, take this bolt off first, and let it hang like this, and put it in park, and now do that one. That's what I would do different, okay? That's the right way to do it. The idea is turn it around like this, slightly like this. Take this bolt while the vehicle is in park, put it in park, right? Because you can still put it in park. Put F on the brakes and put it in the park. And take this bolt off first and go pull this all the way back here to the low gear, L1, L2, and now we'll move that one. All right, so let's do it. All right, I got it out, the old one. Now let's put the new one in. So when you put the new shifter in, you'll be the reverse, right? You'll put the first one, the one that's on the inside first, and you pull it all the way back, pull the one on the outside, bolt it in. All right, so it only goes in one way, okay? So let's put it in and put the bolt in. As you see here, I got the first bolt in, push the brake pedal, and now we're going to pull it back, okay? So I got the first bolt in. So what we're gonna do, we're going to hold that little barrel like this, the one with the bolt, where the bolt is at. You're gonna hold it and push the shifter towards it, okay? I can't really do it with one hand. So if you pull it, there you go. Now you're gonna just, you see, I'm pulling it, and make sure the bolt line up, and that's it, guys. All right, guys, I got all the bolts in for it, right? The shifter's attached. Now we go,
when you have 10 minutes,
and we just going to put line everything up so you can put the base, bolt the base to the body, right? Line up those tabs, right? Okay, good. All right, guys, as you guys see here, I got the bolt in, connectors plugged right on that side, and we're going to put our push pin in like this. Hold this up here like this. All right, all those connectors, make sure you keep them up and put it in park. Everything shut off, and now we're ready to put the cover back on and clear the code. That's all there is to it, guys, and it's pretty simple. And yeah, that's it. Put this back in, put all your connectors in, make sure you plug this in here, right? Yep, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.